Welcome! If you want to showcase more than one website on your Facebook page, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to add multiple websites to your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll see a list of your pages. Select the page where you want to add your websites. Once you're on your page, look for the About section. It's usually found on the left-hand menu or sometimes right under your page's name. Click on About to open your page details. Scroll down until you find the Contact and Basic Info section. Here, you'll see the option to Add Website. Click on it. A field will appear where you can type or paste your first website address. Enter your website and make sure it's correct. If you want to add another website, simply click on Add a Website again. Another field will open up. Enter your second website address. You can repeat this step for as many websites as you need, depending on Facebook's current limits. After you've added all your websites, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the section. This step is crucial. If you skip it, your changes won't be applied. And that's it. You've now successfully added multiple websites to your Facebook page using the new update on the PC app. This is a great way to direct your audience to all your important links, whether it's your main website, a portfolio, or other social media profiles. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to check out the rest of the channel for more tips on making the most of your social media pages. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.